Hi, I'm Martha Bands, and I currently serve as the Interim Dean for the College of Liberal Studies and Associate Provost for Continuing Education here at the University of Oklahoma. For more than 50 years, our college has been on the forefront of adult higher education. We specialize in meeting the unique needs of adult learners through innovative programming delivered in a variety of ways, face-to-face, online, or in hybrid formats. We're grateful that you've chosen to study with us, and it's truly a pleasure for me to welcome you to this orientation for our online course offerings. Whether you're new to the college or have been studying with us for a while, I think it's vital to remember what we're about. That is, what we believe is important for you, our students, to have a top-notch educational experience. In short, we have 3 goals for your education. The first is that we want to equip you with the tools necessary for understanding and solving the complex problems we face, both personally and professionally. In our college, it's not enough to simply accumulate isolated facts. Instead, we want you to integrate those facts and concepts into a unified perspective, a perspective that promotes not just knowledge accumulation, but also wisdom in decision-making and in problem-solving. We want to help you learn the skills to tell the difference between well-founded information based in solid arguments and those that are based on false assumptions or are just factually incorrect. We want you to understand how different fields have different ways of knowing, all of which are needed to contribute to effective problem solving. We want to help you learn to communicate more effectively, to write well, and to speak cogently. We want to help you develop well-informed perspectives, to think discerningly about issues that matter. And importantly, we think it's crucial to help you find practical applications for the things you're learning. Our second goal is to actively engage you in the learning process. We want you to own your educational journey. In all of our programs, you'll have the opportunity to study with world-class faculty who are renowned experts in their various fields. However, our faculty teach not just because they have expertise, but also because they care deeply about helping you achieve all that you possibly can. So while your instructors will bring great expertise to your learning and are wonderful resources for you, they also know that every student has something important to contribute. For that reason, they'll expect you to be an active participant in the learning process. They will want you to share your unique perspectives while also being open to all that we have to learn from each other. Our faculty's goal is to provide world-class expertise while also modeling an insatiable curiosity and civil, respectful engagement. We want our students to not just go through the motions of learning, but to jump in with both feet. We will provide the life vest as you learn to swim in the deep water. Finally, as we accomplish these first 2 goals, we're confident that our third goal will also emerge, the goal of educating citizens who actively enhance the functioning of a free society. We want our graduates to be positive contributors to your communities, active in your professions, devoted to your families. We want graduates who value diverse perspectives, who challenge each other to think carefully and wisely, and who seek opportunities to help others and to make our world a better place. We hope you'll find these goals to be enticing, and we invite you to join our journey. As you move through your program, we hope you'll see that we've structured our online courses to help us and you achieve these goals. We recognize that some of you are new to the college, while some of you have already taken courses with us previously. In either case, we want to make sure you know that we're constantly working to enhance our curriculum. If you're new, you'll notice that the required core courses that you'll be taking will form the springboard for your later work. Doing well in those foundational courses, therefore, is crucial for long-term success. From years of providing courses online, we know that the best learning happens when everyone in a course is actively involved. So you'll also notice that we work hard to make sure all our courses are very interactive. utilizing discussion boards and a variety of highly engaging learning activities that will facilitate conversation. Not just instructor-student conversation, but student-to-student conversation as well. For those of you who have taken courses with us previously, you'll notice some changes now that we're utilizing the Canvas learning platform. First, we've worked diligently to make sure that our courses provide clear and predictable navigation so that everything you need for completing your assignments can be easily accessed. While Canvas is a bit different than what you may have been used to in D2L, we're confident that this new format will provide expanded opportunities for interaction and for meaningful learning experiences. I encourage you to use this orientation to become familiar with Canvas before your courses begin, to learn a bit more about our college, to better understand your responsibilities as a student, and to learn of the services that we provide. In Canvas, you'll see that we've significantly enhanced the resources you have available to you and have provided an important link to Canvas support. We invite you to add your picture and information to your Canvas profile so that your fellow students and instructors can get to know you a bit better. Also, please preview the resource links and explore the tools in Canvas so that you know what's there to help you learn. To conclude, I simply want to emphasize that your success is our success. We're deeply committed to providing you the tools and the resources you need to fulfill your academic goals, and we look forward to your becoming a graduate of our college here at the University of Oklahoma.